Let me put on my CSEC uniform for this. No, by chance, do you guys happen to remember this? Sure you don't remember this? I think I remember this. I think I need to correct this. So, on September 12th, 2024, I made a video about completing this particular square. But this time, let's see if I can do it and eliminate all of the blunders and mistakes. Let's see. So today is February 18, 2025. Yeah. So first, we bring the 15 outside like this. Now we have to be careful with this. If this 15 is multiplying this, which is a positive blank squared, then for the negative blank squared, it has to be multiplied by the very same thing. So that's our skeleton so far, right? So let us divide 15x squared by 15. So far we have x squared. Now let's divide the minus 14x by 15. So far we have minus 14x over 15. But what are we going to do next? Let's add 15 to 15, we'll get 30. So in here we'll have 14 over 30, and what we have here we put here. Now, something very interesting is happening over here. We're going to add this to itself. Because if you square 30 and it's the denominator, let me just spell it out. Now in layman's terms, this 15 times 2 is the same as 30. So 30 times 30 is 15 times 2 times 15 times 2. Now if we do this, then when 15 is multiplied by this, the denominator becomes 30 times 2. So you end up with something like this. So now that we figured out this, up there will remain 14 squared. So all we have to do with that is see to it that it looks like this. Let's multiply this by this over this. So eventually we'd swap out this for this. Now I think we can get rid of this. Alright, so we're almost done with over here. So why don't we add this plus this? So now the the numerator is 676. Yeah? So what do we do with all of this? So we're going to use this as a hint. Now, if you add this to itself, then somewhere in the middle, it would look like this. Now, these two are more alive than you actually... Let me say that again. See, these two are more alike than you actually think. This is this, and this is this. But did you know that this is also this? Why? Why do you think? Now, if we were able to look at it like this, then we would realize 28 over 30 is actually this. So, it is safe to say x minus this all squared is equal to this. So, let me know what you think. Right? Let me know what you think. If you expand this, you will get exactly what you saw before. X squared minus 14 over 30. So just as a reminder, we have a close-up on this. Because when you expand it, you actually get this. And hence, square root this to get this, square root this to get this. Alright, so we're over it now. Take this equal sign, put it here, the 0 disappears. I promise. Now, what are we going to do to make this 15 disappear? 1 over 15 here, 1 over 15 there. And just like that, the 15s disappear. Square root of that, square root of this. So in a while it will go from this to this. And from this, and eventually this, until everything starts to look like this or this. And now practically at the end, they look something like this. So finally we were able to get to the prize. We have x is 4 over 3 and minus 2 over 5. So again, thanks for helping me to stay consistent. Press that button and honor your commitments. Press that button and honor your commitments.